Hey, this is Z with Small Scale Development. Today is November 29th and we are at the Washington Townhouses, and right now you can see they're pouring the concrete for the slab, and they've got it, they got the first one going, the second one's not yet ready, but they're pouring it front to back. So rather than giving a pump truck, which we did for the footings to get it all the way to the back here, they're just pouring it in the front of the building, and then they're raking the concrete back to the back. They're starting from front and working their way to the back. That way when they're done, they can easily step off, because the front is the high side and the back is the low side. So it'll make it a little bit easier for them to get off, and additionally that way the truck can park at the front. We don't need a pump truck, and if they park right there, they can just kind of pull it back. Maybe you can get a little better view of the stub ups today, since there's a little more light. The other one yesterday was in the evening, so you can see the stub ups for the drain pipes, the PVC. That's the white one, that's 4-inch pipe sticking up, and then you can see as well the water sticking up here. So the water lines coming in, you've got water here, offhand. So we got right here and right here. We've got the hot water and the cold water, and we've got some back here too. And so that's where the bathrooms and kitchen and hot water tank will be. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.